Creating your own healthy face and body scrubs at home is a fun, easy, and economical way to take care of your skin. Below you will find a simple guide to making natural scrubs using ingredients commonly found in your kitchen. First, let's look at the face scrub. For a gentle and effective exfoliant, you'll need fine sugar, honey, and a few drops of essential oils. Start by mixing 2 tablespoons of fine sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, while the honey provides moisture and antibacterial properties. Add 3 drops of your favorite essential oil, such as lavender or tea tree oil, known for their soothing and acne-fighting benefits. Gently massage the mixture onto your face using circular motions for about 1 minute, avoiding the delicate eye area. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. For a body scrub, you can use coarser ingredients. One popular recipe includes brown sugar, coconut oil, and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix 1 cup of brown sugar with half a cup of melted coconut oil. The brown sugar helps to remove dead skin cells, while the coconut oil nourishes and hydrates the skin. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful scent. Apply the scrub to your body in the shower, particularly focusing on rough areas like elbows and knees. Massage in circular motions and rinse off with warm water. To store the scrubs, use airtight containers to keep them fresh. For the face scrub, a small jar in the refrigerator will help preserve its natural ingredients. The body scrub can be stored at room temperature in a tightly sealed container. Remember to always do a patch test before using any new skincare products to ensure you are not allergic to any ingredients. Using these homemade scrubs once or twice a week can help maintain smooth and healthy skin. They are free from harsh chemicals often found in commercial products and can be customized to your skin's needs.